Your IKEA shelf just cried. Crosley Everett console is a vinyl lover's dream setup. You ever stare at your sad stack of vinyls, dusty, crooked, maybe wedged between a toaster and a potted plant, and think, is this my aesthetic now? Yeah, we've all been there. The frustration of juggling a turntable on a rickety end table while your prized records live in exile? It's a mood killer. The vibes are off, and your living room's giving college dorm instead of mid-century vinyl connoisseur. Worse? You've wasted hours organizing and reorganizing because your furniture isn't pulling its weight, or any weight at all. It's time to face the music. Your setup is holding you back. Now crank that pain to 11. Imagine hosting friends, finally queuing up your favorite Bowie LP, only for your player to wobble like it's tipsy, while your records collapse like a tragic Jenga tower. Stress? Off the charts. That creeping sense you're just winging adulthood? Real. You're not just losing control of your space, you're losing the luxury of musical moments. You spent too much money and passion on your collection to watch it get downgraded to floor decor. Missed vibes, cluttered chaos, and absolutely zero record respect. Let's not do this again next weekend, yeah? Enter the Crosley Furniture Everett Media Console, the boss-level blow-up your vinyl setup has been begging for. This isn't just furniture, it's a shrine to your sonic soul. With that rich mahogany finish, classic mid-century design, and wire slots that cradle your records like royalty, the Everett doesn't just store, it serves. It's got space for your turntable and up to 75 records, hidden cable slots, adjustable shelves, and a top that flips up smoother than your best side part. It's sleek, smart, and ready to transform your chaotic corner into a listening lounge fit for legends. Let's talk perks. You get adjustable shelves for custom setups, sliding doors that feel oh so satisfying, and metal hardware with that brushed gold drip. It pairs with any vibe, modern, rustic, farmhouse-chic, you name it. Suddenly, your workflow's cleaner, your Sunday spins hit harder, and your place screams tastefully obsessed instead of tragic hoarder. You deserve a console that doesn't just store things, but amplifies everything about your space. Wanna see the glow up for yourself? Scroll down. Tap in. Your records, and your inner designer, will thank you. Look, thousands of vinyl lovers already made the switch. And trust, no one's looking back. Inventory's limited, because style like this doesn't sit on shelves, literally or metaphorically. So don't sleep. Don't scroll past. Don't settle for basic when Crosley is out here giving icon energy. Hit that link, add it to your cart, and reclaim your listening space with unapologetic flair. Your records deserve a throne, and the Everett Media Console is it. Order now and let your living room finally look as good as your playlist sounds.